Hey guys, in this video I will show you an easy way how you can send all streaks at once on Snapchat. Alright, so the first thing what you need to do here now is to take a photo. So you can take random photo like me and then press on send to, and then as you can see here on the top there is a words send to, so press on that, and as you can see here create a shortcut pops up, so you need to click on this one. And then you need to select the friends that you want to basically send streaks to. So for example, for me it's Top Advice and Top Advice 1. Press on create a shortcut, and I need to choose an emoji. Sorry. So as you can see here, you need to choose an emoji. So I will choose this one, for example, and then press create shortcut. And as you can see here, the shortcut is created. So for example, if you want to then send this particular snap to the friends that is on that particular shortcut, press send to, press on the emoji, and as you can see here, you can send streaks all at once with this method. Alright guys, so if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.